Okay, go ahead.
All right.
Yay.
Now can I look at it again?
You can do your gymnast move. Go ahead.
How about at noon?
Will.
Near
Let me see.
9 o'clock?
Let me see your Will.
Next November?
Let me see your gymnast move. Nice. How old are you? 2. Good boy.
Tad, perhaps we'll have
How does the C go? How does the C go?
Why, that's correct.
The C says,
N says,
well, they're on the N.
says, every letter makes a sound. The N says,
Say bye.
oh.
Say bye.